What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. Thank you for coming back. I really appreciate it. If you are not subscribed, please get subscribed. And I hit the bell and stuff. Anyways, do you guys all have that one friend that's like, you gotta see the tool I bought? It does everything. It's the most amazing tool ever. And you're just wondering what it looks like. Yeah, I'm sure everyone has that one buddy, like, you gotta check this tool out. Well, I'm that one buddy for you guys. I present to you the Hawkforce 6-in-1 3.6 volt cordless screwdriver. Now, Hawkforce, you guys might remember, I got the oscillating tool 12 volt. That is a Hawkforce. They also have a 12 volt cordless ratchet that doesn't look too bad. I know Brad's Workbench has the Pro Stormer, and he says it's actually worked out pretty good. It's not the prettiest thing in the magazine there, but gets the job done. So, in the oscillating tool, I have not had a chance to use it yet. Thought I would, so I'll come out with a review on that eventually. But it's a brand on Amazon, and for homeowners, there's a bunch of crazy stuff out there. So let's get into this one. In terms of crazy, let's see what we got here. We have quick loader, LED light, 6-in-1 forward and reverse, 2-position rotary handle, LED charge control indicator. So just open this up. I know a lot of people don't like unboxings, but fuck, I like them. I really enjoy them. Because that was so painful. Got a little instruction manual here. Got the charger. It's AC, DC, Thunderstruck. And then, where's just, so we got LED on the bottom there. Have a battery light indicator on the top. Can swivel that handle to make this beast go straight. Now, we got 2 flatheads, Torx, a hex, and 2 Phillips heads. You got a nut driver here. All arrows point to the hole. So, I don't know nothing. Okay, so okay, I don't know if you guys saw that. So, it's on like a arm. So you just lift it up. And then there it goes in. And then you're just driving screws, Pop that out. Set her back down. That nut driver's just right there. Unmarked. I don't know, 5/16 or something. And you're rolling. Pop it back in the slot. You gotta get a flathead out. That little arm comes up there. Fire in the hole. So, let's see here. For the sake of sakes here, we'll just come in with the Phillips head. Make sure we got this in focus. I don't know what the battery charge is. Phillips head fits. It fits in there. Okie dokie, Ah, man. I have a feeling the battery. I knew the battery didn't come charged. Yeah, that battery's dead. But you know what? I thought that. I mean, it is goofy. It's. Sorry about that. It's a goofy. It's a goofy conundrum, sort of. But I'll tell you what. I mean, if you're an electrician, if you're just doing outlets all day as a maintenance guy, me personally, I think I might run this bad boy. So I'm gonna give it a try. The bits seem of pretty, not that great. But, I mean, you know what? It's not a bad concept. I mean, that's Black & Decker made a living off of tools like this. And, one of my favorite ones at home to use just for little jobs has been this. And it is it holds the screw for you. I've never used that function. And you adjust it by a screw size. Just something there, little knowledge. So it's not like I haven't bought and stuff like this, because if it works, it works, and sometimes you just don't want to bust out your big tools. I mean, it even has this is rubber overmolding back here, so the grip's not bad. $15 I think I paid for it, not even. So anyways, guys, it's just your buddy bringing you another exciting tool, and it even comes with let's get right there, a few bits in a bag. So let me open this up actually, and it's a nice little case. It has extra bits in, or you could hide your drugs. I don't know what you kids do these days. But anyways, that's it, guys. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.